You are watching the latest weekly overview of the global financial markets. Last week, US stocks suffered biggest losses since 2016. Investors saw better employment data in the US. Although this is good news for the US economy, investors fear that inflation will push the Fed into raising rates more quickly than anticipated. Rising yields on US Treasury bonds additionally moved investors from the stock market. The dollar last week recorded its strongest gains in the last 15 months, after a turbulent week in stock and bond markets around the world. But on Tuesday, the dollar was down 0.5% against a basket of currencies, reversing some of its gains last week. The pound rose sharply last Thursday after the Bank of England warned that interest rates may need to rise sooner than expected. But the rise of the British pound was limited on Friday after Michel Barnier, the European Union's Brexit negotiator, warned Britain that a post-Brexit transition deal was not a given. In the week ahead, inflation data from the US and Germany will be in the spotlight, amid speculation that the world's leading central banks will start to step back from easy policies and begin raising interest rates. Bitcoin this week managed to recover on Tuesday, testing $9,000 levels, while other cryptocurrencies' fortunes were mixed. Bitcoin finished on a higher note last week, and the momentum continued on Tuesday. This is despite the persisting regulatory crackdown surrounding the crypto space. Elsewhere, cryptocurrency traders were reportedly preparing to launch a lawsuit against Tokyo-based Coincheck later this week. Coincheck was attacked by hackers last month and has lost $530 million in digital money. The exchange froze all withdrawals of yen and digital currencies following the theft, but has resumed yen withdrawals today. Crude oil prices were high on Tuesday, helped by a rebound in global equity markets, as investors turned their attention to the upcoming US supply data this week. Gold prices held firm on Tuesday, buoyed by a weaker dollar, while investors waited for US inflation data for clues on the pace of interest rate hikes. You've been watching the latest weekly overview of the global financial markets.